So guys, here are all the ingredients you need to make your suya spice mix. I have already measured them out, but here are what they look like. Okay, so I have them measured out. These little bowls are either half a cup or quarter cup measures. Let's quickly go through them. Here is half a cup of ginger, dried ginger powder. In here, 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. In here, 1/4 cup of onion flakes or onion powder. Here is garlic powder, 1/4 cup, and in here, hot peppers. Now you can use whatever peppers you like. What I have in here is extremely hot pepper because I like my stuff spicy. If you don't like extremely hot pepper, you can substitute some of this with like paprika or something. And then here is 1 tablespoon of salt. As far as the gadgets, you need something that can, blend dry stuff. This is my coffee grinder. I use it to mix spices, or if you have a food processor you can use. And you also need something to store your mix in. This is just a jar, an airtight jar. So let's get prepping. We're just gonna pulse this roughly. We don't want to over blend it. The next thing I'm going to add in here are the garlic powder, not garlic, onion. That's chopped onion from Kirkland's. Okay. If you use onion powder, probably you don't have to do that. That's about good. Okay. Alright, so that's good enough. Now I'm going to pour everything into my jar. Guys, I forgot to add pepper powder, so I'm adding white pepper, 1/4 of a cup of white pepper powder. And if you're African and you want to add more things to this, it's up to you. I just wanted to use ingredients that everybody can find wherever they are, so that is why. If you have something like country onion you want to add, you can add some of those other Afro specific ingredients. You can add to your suya spice mix. You can make it yours. Taste it and adjust it. It's yours. So now we're going to shake. That's your soya spice mix. Easy. So we are going to use this to make soya. So keep watching and I'll show you how to use the spice mix to make soya. That's your spice mix.